Yes, hello guys and welcome to this amazing video. We'll be looking at the how to create a dollar, and not even how to create a dollar card, how to run ads, yes, with how to run ads on TikTok, how to boost your post on TikTok. So the cards that can allow you to do these things, we have the Visa card. I think almost every bank Visa card can do this. I don't know for Verve. I tried Verve before 1 or 2 times. I think Verve did not work, but you can still try your luck. Just this one, just try your luck. Some cards can do this. Then what else? What else? Then virtual cards. Yes, virtual cards online. Like I said, online virtual cards, Naira cards. Like Access Bank can do it. Wema Bank can do it. Me, I use Wema. This is my Wema Bank app. I use Wema Bank because my physical cards, most of them have expired and I've not gotten their time to go and do them. Yes, MasterCard, Visa card, they can do it easily. So most of them can do it. So I would advise you to use Nigerian card. Those who have dollar card, don't go and use dollar card. If not, the way they will chop your money, as they're supposed to be 800 naira or 1,000 highest, you'll be using 2,000 to run the ads. You're using dollar. So I'm logging into my listing right now, my Wema Bank. Yes, so let me log into my Wema Bank and show you how it works. Alright, I will be blowing some of these places so you will not see my email. And then okay, my login is biometric. So this, I just funded the account. I don't use it like that too. But when I want to run ads, I just fund it to use it to run ads. So I'll go to cards, I'll go to virtual cards, I'll go to Naira card. I'll now put my pin. When I put my pin, I'll now take me to my Naira card. So this is my Naira card. I'll have to blur some of the listing here so that you will not see the details on the Naira card. Yes, I'll blur all these ones. So it's a master card. So it gave me a master card. So card details. Yes, I'll have to top up 1,180. Let me leave 2 naira for them because these people, they like money where they will be cutting. They will just want to cut small money. So when you wait for some time, 30 seconds, you can refresh, you can proceed to dashboard. By now it has gone already. We are just assuming that I want to wait. 2 messages from chat, whatever. Alright, it's supposed to have gone by now. So we'll go to dashboard. See, it has left our account. Yes, it has left our account. So that means it's in the card by now. We'll just have to go and check if it is in the card. So I didn't want to do this video now, but I just have to do it because I don't want to waste time. Understand? So 137, you can see the money have increased. So I'll just copy the card. Though I have the card already on my listing, card number copied. I have the card already on my listing on my TikTok because I've already used it to run before. So I have the card number already. So what I'll just do, I'll go to TikTok. Before I open TikTok, I'm trying to switch my TikTok account. So I'll put my my VPN on. Yes, but network is usually bad with VPN. Yeah. So I've already said this before. I'm trying to pick a better VPN. But this one I've been using for a long time. So I just got stuck with this one. These people they really try. So I'll just go to my yes, I want to look for a post I'm going to boost. This Club Brugge Arsenal. Let me see if I'll boost this post. Alright, you see, to boost the post, you see, your video could go viral. If you see, look down, you see your video could go viral. Give it push it needs. That's where to boost. But there are other places you can go and boost your this thing in options. Like you can come here and click on inbox. Where they used to put promotion. Okay, that's after you run a post. Alright, just forget about that. Just go to the this thing itself. Click on push. Give it the push it needs. So when you come here to give it the push it needs, it's going to that down button should load faster because I don't want to, like I said, the VPN network stuff is always worrying. Alright, so it has selected 5 videos that you used to run ads. When me I run ads, I look for followers, so I don't look for views. But as you can see the option ahead, boost accounts. I look for followers. Some people look for more views, profile views. I don't look for those rubbish. I look for followers. Then I will unmark some of the ones they gave me to add. This Chelsea highlight, I was like, I will leave it to maybe I run 2 of them at the same time. Unmark the remaining one, just run these 2 for me. They should boost this. They can boost 2 videos, they can boost 5 videos at once, but it will not be very, very effective. So sometimes I just boost 1 video, you understand? So look at the custom price they're asking me, but we'll reduce the price. So I click more followers option, then custom results estimate, blah blah blah. So default audience TikTok chooses for you. You can go and choose your own custom audience, but most of the time I don't like choosing custom audience unless male, and unless I'll come here to pick male because my this is mostly male. But the age I'll pick all, the interest I might not pick all. Education, yes, I'm interested in students, yes, because student watch football very well, very well. Then vehicle transportation, news, entertainment, games, lifestyle, sports, outdoor. Just pick your relevant this thing. Beauty and care. No, I will not pick that one because na women own the vehicle and transportation, financial services, appliance, pets. I don't think pets, apps, home improvement, beauty and care, tech electronics, na guys go dey here. Baby and kids products, apparel and accessories, business services, food, beverages, none. I just pick these ones. Normally, I let these people pick for me. TikTok, yes, it is very, very good for TikTok to pick for you. So normally I used to leave it in all. So, but I want to just kind of trim this one a bit, you understand? So, see the price have changed now. The views have changed from the normal one TikTok will give you. You see? So if you guys reduce it too much, it will just change. So sometimes I used to leave it like that. I will just come here, come and edit, put all, put mail, put all here and see if it will increase. Okay, it increased a bit. But TikTok one is way better. I'm seeing 5,000 to 14,000. My own is showing me another thing, you understand? With same budget too. So, but I'll go to the lowest price. The lowest price you can run an ad is 8,700 per day. So let's see TikTok on for that one. You see, you get more. Anyhow you want to do it, TikTok will give you more. So let us just use TikTok on the hand. Anything you want to choose for us, no wahala. But you can use your own. Like most of the time, I use my own. So this is the total price I'm going to pay. They'll be charging around 50 or 100 naira extra. So to push this price to like 1,000 plus, you understand? So, but it's not a big deal. We are running two. Let us run 2 of them. Wait, why is this one showing 0 views? Let me see this in no verse. This is the Arsenal owner. So which one is this? Let me use only the Arsenal one. I don't understand this one. Maybe people come to the channel, they will now say, okay, now this guy do am than for me to, okay, just one day. We just want it to run for one day. and we need more followers. So I will show you the progress of this ads, how many this thing it has given me, how many followers it has given me, and how many views it has given me. Remember, the photo have 210 views already. So we just run, we go to pay. So I'm, like I said, I'm not supposed to run ads. I have something I'm going to run ads on later, but I've not done that video. Yes. So I'll just wait. Then the MasterCard, which one did we use again? Oh, I think it's this one. Let's set to pay. Let's see if it will pay. If it doesn't pay, we'll have to, start, create a new one again. But I hope it goes at once. This is the one I've been using. This is the one in my Wema Bank. I used to use KickPay dollar card before. Because you say money wey dey charge there. It's crazy. My payment fail, bank disapproved it. Yes, because they will not just allow you to pay just like that. You need to, do some things. You need to like kind of grant permission again to come to debit or credit card. Come here and add the card again. Even if you save the card, it might not really go. So you have to do it again. So you paste the card number. I'll be blurring most of these things, so we won't see it. Will come here. Yeah, let me confirm something. So Stephen. So make sure your card holder name is correct too. You fill in this place. Then they will ask you just some few questions. They might even send OTP, and then you respond to the OTP. Okay, this one did not even send, so the payment is successful. So you confirm it. So like me, they've been sending OTP a long time, so I already know that they might not send OTP. So I've paid. Don't come and pay again. Once the payment successful, know that you have paid. You go back. You go back to your dashboard to see if they will send you the notification. Wow, 40 profile views. You see, this thing is just getting engagement. Like every day, one person or the other just joined this channel. So which is very, very impressive. Okay, you see they've given you promotion assistant. We just hope the sound will not affect, because okay, anyway, I've done the job. The job is just to teach you how to run the ads. So that's just the main jobs. I think we are done here. But you must see this pop up telling you under review, or it has been approved. So this way to approve it. So you just have to pray it approves it. Sometimes they will say you added some sound that is copyright, or some picture. Okay, I think they might not approve this one because the image I use might be a copyright image. Yes. So most times you design your own image by yourself if you want to run ads on anything. Let me see it. Look at it. Win probability. This win probability image, it is online, and I read it online, so it might not go. You understand? So that's just it. They will just send it back, or maybe the music you use to play in the background. They might say, that music is something else. It is copyrighted, some stuff like that. So, and they'll say it will not go. So that's why we have to be very, very careful with what we use to create our videos, or our this thing. What is it called? Our audios, so that we don't, or picture self, or content. Anything you use to create a content should be authentic. So if they accept it, is good luck to us. If they don't accept it, we'll just leave it and move on. This one won't make I come on another this thing. Don't demand that. Alright, that's that for that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing the next one. Do have a great day. Maybe this one. Go strawberry. Must shift one side first. Who said you go travel?